In today's video, we're going to talk about transcribing audio in Adobe Premiere. Once Premiere launches, we're going to change some things before we get started. In the menu bar, choose Premiere Pro, Settings, and then Transcription. Here I like to set up some settings to make transcriptions a little bit easier. Choose Automatically Transcribe Clips. I like to pick Transcribe All Imported Clips. For speaker labeling, choose Separate All Speakers. Then choose Enable Language Auto Detection and OK. Create a new project. You can place the project in whatever location you'd like. In this case, I've got a dedicated Premiere Projects folder. Name your project whatever you'd like for it to be named. And all of the transcription settings have already been taken care of. Choose Create. When the new project opens, click on Window and Workspaces. Then choose Text-Based Editing. This is going to arrange our workspace to make transcribing easier. Now click on Import. Find a file that you'd like to work with or transcribe. Once you've highlighted that file, click on the Import button. At this point, you'll see now that the file is automatically being transcribed. This can take some time. When done, you'll see text on the left-hand side that will follow the audio on the timeline.
The Honorable Elijah Muhammad, our religious leader, teaches us the importance of doing.
To export this transcription, click on the three dots in the transcript window, choose Export and Export to Text File. Choose where you'd like this file to go on your computer. In this case, I'm going to choose the desktop. Give the file a name, and then choose Save. I'm going to minimize Premiere now so we can see the file that we just created. It's a plain text file. Double-click on it, and you'll see your transcription with timecode and the transcription broken up by either pauses or different speakers. Now, this is one of many ways to transcribe something in Premiere, but this is quick and easy and hopefully helpful.